Hello you guys, welcome to a cleaning video today. If you need some cleaning motivation, I hope this is the video for you. Today I really need to get my kitchen in order. I'm doing a little bit of food prep that I show you guys really quickly, and then I'm deep cleaning or doing my weekly clean of my bathrooms. A lot of the time I show you guys my quick cleans in the bathroom, my quick daily cleans, and I tell y'all that usually once a week I do like a deeper clean in the bathroom. So I'm finally going to show you guys that in today's video. So if you need some major cleaning motivation, especially in the kitchen or the bathroom, this is the video for you. So let's just jump right in. So I started my cleaning today in the kitchen first thing in the morning because I left myself an absolute disaster from the day before. So I got my baby boy set up with a little bit of breakfast, watching one of his favorite movies. I got myself some coffee and got to work. I had so many dishes to clean up. Luckily for me, I had at least been kind of picking up, so there wasn't too much stuff, just random stuff on the counter, but I did not wash a single dish and they definitely pile up. So I'm going to be taking care of those, doing a little bit of food prep, which makes even more dishes, and we're going to do even more dishes after that. So I don't have any dishes hanging around. So I got through about 90% of the dishes, and then I let some cups and sippy cups and the crock pot soak in hot soapy water while I do my food prep. So I just have these apple chicken sausages. I cut up some carrots, some potatoes, a bell pepper, onion, and garlic. I cut up these sausages. I put them all together with oil and seasoning. You can use anything you like. I like salt, pepper, paprika, and Italian seasoning. And I will just cover this in foil, stick it in the fridge, and tomorrow night or tonight, if I felt like it, I can just pop that into the oven on 400 for about 30 to 40 minutes. And that is like a perfect one pan, kind of like sheet pan dinner. Super easy, super delicious. We have this all the time. If I just need something quick that I can food prep, this is the perfect thing. And then the second thing I was making, which we were having for dinner tonight, was some homemade spaghetti sauce. This is kind of my quick version. I just browned down some mild Italian sausage with onions and garlic and some Italian seasoning and tomato paste. And then I throw all of that into a little crock pot with a 32-ounce can of crushed tomato. And I add some more like garlic, Italian seasoning, salt, pepper, stuff like that. And then I let that go on low for the entire day. My kind of long version of homemade spaghetti sauce has a lot more to it, but this is the quick version and it's still really delicious, especially if you use Italian seasoning. It just has a lot of flavor to it. So I'm going to get that going on the crock pot and then just add all of those dishes that I just made to my pile in the sink and get every single thing taken care of. Just scrubbing everything down with my Dawn antibacterial dish soap in the green apple scent, my absolute favorite scent of all time for cleaning, and my favorite dish soap, I guess. I was going to say body wash. My favorite dish soap. And I'm going to scrub everything down and keep on going, cleaning this kitchen. I want to get every single thing done. So tonight I have barely any dishes and I have nothing to worry about. Now the dishes are finally done, and oh my gosh, what a pile of clean dishes that I have. My dishwasher is still broken, so I just use it as a drying rack. And now we are on to cleaning this sink. It obviously smells pretty bad after cleaning all those dishes, so I'm going to dump some baking soda down the garbage disposal to deodorize. I put Barkeeper's Friend and I sprayed the whole sink down with Dawn Power Wash, and I let that sit while I also spray my glass stovetop with the Dawn Power Wash, and I scrub that. I use this awesome brush that I got from Walmart. It's like $3 or $4. It has this little scraper for the hard burnt on stuff, and it's incredible for cleaning like a glass stovetop or your sink. And I just get to scrubbing that all over. Once I do that and I scrape off any burnt on stuff, I will wipe it off, and then I spray the entire stovetop down with half water, half vinegar, and give it a final wipe down. And I have a sparkling clean glass and stainless steel stovetop, and then I basically do the same process on the sink as well. I scrub the entire thing down, and then I'm going to pour some vinegar down the drain to activate that baking soda in the garbage disposal to get any food that is still stuck in there nice and loose so it can rinse down. It's going to deodorize everything. I give it a second scrub down with all of that going, and then I'm going to rinse everything down with the garbage disposal running, spray my entire sink down with half water, half vinegar, and then just wipe down the edges. Just leaving it in the sink will help the sink to dry completely spotless, and then I have a perfectly clean, fully deodorized sink that does not smell like rotting food. Final steps in the kitchen, I'm just going to use my Miss Meyer's Snowdrop multi-purpose spray down the counters and wipe everything down, make sure there's no crumbs or anything, and then we are moving on. This is what I was doing in the morning. I kind of just spent the rest of the morning hanging out with my son, reading, playing, doing all the things that we normally do, and then I pick back up cleaning when he's napping. I normally don't clean that much when he's awake. I like to just spend 100% of my time with him, fully focused on him, but this kitchen was driving me absolutely nuts. I had to get it clean. So after this, I just took a break until nap time, and now we are going to be deep cleaning the bathrooms. I'm first starting off by taking off the curtains and the rugs from both of the bathrooms, and then I'm going to take all of the products out and spray them down with the Scrubbing Bubbles foaming shower cleaner. I just sprayed them down, and then I also put toilet bowl cleaner in the toilet bowls. I like to do this just to get everything basically like marinating in both of the bathrooms, and I go and start the laundry to wash the rugs and the carpet or the shower curtains, and then I will come back to the bathrooms and start scrubbing everything down. So now using the bathroom only sponge. I'm going to wet that with hot water and start scrubbing down the showers. I just scrub it from top to bottom. And the best part about doing this weekly is that there's really no buildup. If you go a very long time, especially in the bathroom, without cleaning, you're going to spend like an hour scrubbing because there's so much soap scum built up over time. But if you do it weekly, each bathroom takes me like 3 minutes to scrub down the shower. It's so fast. I just go over the whole thing from top to bottom and I rinse it with super hot water and I'm good to go. And then if you have a shower like mine, this little top edge can kind of get dusty. So I just take a wet rag and wipe across the top of that, replace all of the products back into the shower after I kind of give those a little rinse off, and then I am going to scrub the toilet. So I just scrub the inside and I do wipe the outside of the toilet with Lysol wipes, but I guess I just forgot to film it. I think because I do it like very, very last, I completely forgot to film it. So I just scrub out the toilet and then I spray the mirror and the whole countertop with half water, half vinegar. And I wipe all of that stuff down and we are good to go in here until we tackle the floor. I just like to use the half water, half vinegar because it gets the mirror completely spotless, and then I just use it on the counter as well. I wipe my countertops in the bathroom basically every single day with Lysol wipes, so I don't really worry about doing it specifically when I'm deep cleaning. I just like to use the half water, half vinegar on the mirror specifically to get it really nice and shiny, and then I just use it on the counter too because I'm already having it in my hand. So that's why I do that. And then I'm just flip-flopping back to the other bathroom now that that cleaner has been sitting on this shower and toilet for a while. I'm doing the exact same process, scrubbing from top to bottom, wiping everything down. The only difference in this bathroom, I ordered the same shelves that I have in the other shower. I ordered another set off of Amazon because I decided I love them. So I'm going to be putting them in this shower too. So they're really easy to install. I just made sure that the wall was completely dry. That's why I wiped it. And then you just literally stick it on and put the little like racks up. It's so easy. They're really great. They're really strong. I haven't had any problems with them so far. And they're really easy to install. They're from Amazon, so I'll just link them down below. Now, this sink had quite a bit more buildup because this is the main sink that me and Nathan use, my husband, and he, like, obviously he shaves and stuff, so there's hair, toothpaste splatter, lotion splatter, stuff like that. So I just sprayed that with scrubbing bubbles as well and scrubbed that out. And then I do the same thing, half water, half vinegar on the countertops and the mirror. I wipe everything down that sits on the countertops as well with that same mixture, just to make sure there's no like lotion residue or dust or anything like that. And then I replace everything and we're good to go. So for the bathroom floors specifically, I like to disinfect them. So I use 100% Pine Sol, completely undiluted by water, and this specific brush that I use only on the bathroom floors and absolutely nothing else. And I scrub the floor with 100% undiluted Pine Sol, and then I let it sit for 10 minutes. If you are using some other kind of disinfectant, you need to look at the directions and see how long it needs to sit to actually disinfect. So for Pine Sol, if you use it undiluted and let it sit for 10 minutes, it kills 99.9% of germs, bacteria, viruses, everything. So I just scrub it in with this brush, and then I use boiling hot water after 10 minutes of letting it sit there, and I come in and basically just mop it up with plain super hot water, and then I dump that bucket out, and then I get another bucket of boiling hot water with about a cup of vinegar in it, and I will mop again. That is what I like to do once a week in the bathrooms to completely disinfect them and get them perfectly clean. I do quick cleans throughout the week with my O Cedar quick mop, but this is just to completely disinfect the floor, if you know what I mean. I obviously don't do this in my entire house, but I feel like it is really important for the bathroom, especially when you're a boy mom like me. You kind of, it's pretty important, and doing it once a week definitely helps me kind of keep up with everything, so there's no buildup of any messes. And then I'm just coming through and replacing the towels, the shower curtains, and the carpets, and that is the weekly deep clean of the bathrooms done. I hope this video gave you guys so much cleaning motivation. If it did, let me know down below. And if you are still cleaning, I have an entire playlist of cleaning motivation videos for you to keep on going with some cleaning company. Thank you guys so much for watching. It means the absolute world to me, and I will see you in another video very soon. Bye.